Hiring is broken, you know it. You've sat through endless rounds of candidates who either don't fit or who your gut tells you something's off, yet the resume is shiny, the interview smooth, and your system says go ahead. It's frustrating as hell. But here's the real pain no one talks about. What if your gut, your system, your entire hiring process isn't just flawed, it's biased? Not just a little, but in ways that keep repeating toxic cycles no one dares to admit or fix? The real truth is AI is here, and it's supposed to fix this mess, but is it really? Or is it just automating the same crappy biases with a digital mask on? Let's stop sugarcoating it. You're angry because you've lost great talent before they even stepped into your office. You feel powerless because every tool you invest in promises fairness, but delivers more of the same unconscious bias dressed up as efficiency. You're tired of hearing about diversity like it's a checkbox or a brand campaign, when deep down you know your team isn't just missing talent, it's missing voices, ideas, perspectives that could change the game. That frustration, that gnawing feeling, you have to own it. Because if you don't, nothing changes. Here's the brutal fact. AI doesn't fix hiring bias by itself. Feeding biased data into fancy algorithms doesn't erase decades of societal preference, stereotype, and systemic exclusion. It just moves the problem under the hood. If your AI tool learned from past hiring decisions where bias was baked in, congratulations. You now have a digital recruiter that's as unfair as your worst human interviewer and twice as fast. So don't fall for the easy sell. If you want real change, you have to make AI your weapon, not your crutch. So what do you do right now in your company with your hiring process? First, audit your data like your business depends on it, because it does. Look at every decision point your AI touches. Who gets screened, who gets scored, who gets rejected before speaking a word. If your AI treats people differently based on anything that's not ability and fit, scrap it. Then, rebuild with purpose. Use blind hiring methods combined with AI that's tuned explicitly to remove demographic signals. Don't let the algorithm see names, genders, schools, zip codes. Let it score skill, experience, potential, period. Secondly, embed constant human review. AI can recommend, but it cannot decide alone. You need real professionals ready to catch patterns that AI misses or even perpetuates. Set up diverse panels who challenge every candidate rejection. Nobody gets dismissed without a second look by a human brain that understands nuance and context. Bypass automation for critical roles, even if it slows you down. Trust this, speed without fairness costs you far more in the long run. Third, rewrite your hiring playbook itself. Stop relying on old job descriptions and standard criteria. They're often coded language designed to attract one type of candidate and reject everyone else. Use performance-based tasks in your selection process. Let people show their skills live, not just on paper. This levels the ground for people who don't fit cookie-cutter molds, but have the talent and drive to blow your expectations out of the water. Finally, be transparently brutal with your team. Talk openly about what bias looks like, where it hides, and how AI can fail you. Make it their problem to own, because the system is not fixing itself. This is about building a culture of real meritocracy, where results and ability move you forward, not history or identity. If you don't change this now, you're just copying failure with a tech upgrade. AI will change hiring biases, but only if you fight to make it change. You're not here to automate the past. You're here to build a future where talent wins, no matter where it comes from or what it looks like. The power is in your hands to demand fairness that works in reality, not just on paper. So stop waiting for the perfect tool and start making your process brutally effective this second. Because every biased hire is a lost opportunity, and this world can't afford any more of those. You want AI to break bias? Then you have to break the system yourself first, relentlessly, without excuses. That's how you build teams who don't just fill seats, but change the damn game. Don't just hope for a better future, force it, right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.